whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years.
Alright, let's go to our setup now. I set up my folder already. It's easy. Go ahead and make 3 files: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We have nothing yet. And just have this basic setup. I got the Google fonts, and they're here, and I'll push the code to GitHub. You'll see it. And we got all those images. Okay, let's keep it there. That's about it. Let's get started. It's gonna be a quick tutorial. Alright, first off, let's go ahead and make
And the dreams, they tell me think about the future, yeah. But what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that. But that's been where my mind. Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard.
That's it. Let's go to our CSS. Simple. Now let's go ahead and copy a couple of stuff, okay? First off, I'm gonna get the font. We want the body. We want to have the font.
I was just a little boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career. And I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage now.
Then next, we're gonna style up the H1. I'm gonna say font size 50 pixels. Okay, and then now the input.
Be worrying about that, but that's been where my mind. Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money.
One flag container, okay, but for now we don't need it, right? Let's go ahead and do that later. Now let's do media, screen, and width, and width 768 pixels. We want H1. We want font size 8. Okay, look at this. Alright, just like that. Now we're gonna go to our JS and come back to the CSS later. Alright, first off, I want y'all to copy this, okay? I'm not gonna write everything, but it's gonna be our array, object array, okay? And now what we wanna do is grab, so I wanna grab body, argument, query selector, we want the body, and we want a couple of stuff, input, flag container, and UL. This flag container, I'm assuming that's the name. Yep. And this one is gonna be input. We want input. Alrighty, we got those. Now what do we want to do? Okay, we want to be able to have all the stuff there. Our flags. And say flags dot. I'm gonna do filter. Okay, and say flag. Here, let me show you. Flag. First off, we want to show everything. Okay, let's do flags. The map flag. So we're doing this, and then we want to be able to create the results. Add everything here. We want to append it to the DOM later. So we want to say result plus minus. Let me use that, and we're gonna have our image from this source. We're gonna have image, not image, flag dot flag. Okay, we want this right here, the image. Now it's not gonna show because we missed the last part. Okay, we want to append it inside this div. Okay, flag container dot HTML. Okay, we got all those flags. Now because I put it overflow hidden, we'll come back to that then. You can see we got all the flags. Okay, now we want to do a filter, right, based off of what we add here. Okay, now let's work on that. Let's go with input, add. We got listener, we want to listen to something, input. Okay, we want to have E. We want to say, and if we console log target value, we're gonna see what's happening here. Let me show y'all step by step. I'm not claiming need to do this, but I guess y'all need to know, you know. There we go. Those are the results we want. Okay, now let me explain how that's gonna work. Okay, we want to be able to do something like this. Okay, we're gonna call this search result. I want to make this into an arrow function. Alright, and we want to be able to accept prop. And then what we want to do is, let's see, we want to be able to go do flags, like flags, filter, flag. You want to do flag.country. Let's try this. equals USA. USA. And because we have that, it won't show. Let's go and hide it. Okay, now we got USA. I want to see origin. Origin to now. We'll see it. Okay, that's the spirit. That's why we want prop there. And we want to call the prop here. Okay, this is the prop, then goes into this and then goes here. And if we do this, like USA, it should show. Okay, French, it should show. Now the problem is that we have, if we do lowercase, it won't work. Okay, so there's a way to fix that. We can go here, but to lowercase, and also to the prop, to lowercase, and we should solve that issue. USA, French, there we go. Alright, here in large. See, it doesn't matter. Even USA doesn't matter. Even French. See, if the spelling is correct, then it's fine. Now we want our words to be here, right? The words. So we want flags, map, flag. We want constant create new li. We want document element, li tag, and then we want li the inner text. It's gonna be flag.country. It's gonna be all these names, and then we want to append it. ul.append child li. Okay, this is the ul right here. Now we got those. Okay, alright, I think we got everything, but we want to do something else. As you can see, we want to be able to change the background as well. Okay, in order to do that, let's put this here. Let's go with body, the style, the background image, and we want to set it to URL. Flag.bg. Okay, let's do USA. Did I get it right? Body, the style, the background image equals. Yeah, I missed something here. Let's try USA. There we go. French. Nice. Okay. Now the problem is it doesn't go back to the original image. Okay. In order to fix that, we can go all the way up here and say if input the value is empty, right? Is empty. We want to body, and we want to, let me see. I want to use this. Okay, the same image we got here. Alright, let's see. Friends. Got it. Bang, it went back. Now let's style up the rest. Okay, I'll comment this out, and then that's it for HTML, CSS. Let's go down here. Let's do IUL. Let's do position fixed.
I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career. And I be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time.
Flat container. Wow. With 100 pixels, percent max width, 500 pixels, margin, auto. Radius 10 pixels. Oh, it's gonna be image.
You tell me think about the future, yeah. But what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that. But that's been where my mind. Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage. No.
Alright y'all, if y'all like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Good luck and see you in the next video.